Do certifications really help in SAP, IT, and management careers? Certifications are everywhere. SAP certifications, IT certifications, management diplomas and professional credentials. Everywhere you look, you see promises like guaranteed job, high salary after certification, industry-recognized credential. But here's the real question: do certifications actually help your career, or are they just expensive pieces of paper? In this video, we'll break down the truth about certifications in SAP careers, IT careers, management careers. You'll learn when certifications help, when they don't, and how to use them correctly for real career growth. This video is for freshers, working professionals, and career switchers. What certifications are meant to do. Let's start with the purpose of certifications. Certifications are designed to validate your knowledge, show commitment to learning, create credibility at entry or transition points. They are signals, not guarantees. A certification tells employers, this person has learned the basics of a specific domain. What it does not automatically mean, you are job ready, you are experienced, you will be promoted immediately. Understanding this difference is critical. Certifications in SAP careers. In SAP careers, certifications do matter, but with conditions. When SAP certifications help, for freshers entering SAP, for professionals switching from non-SAP roles, for consultants moving to new SAP modules during client or partner shortlisting. SAP certifications help establish functional understanding, module familiarity, SAP terminology knowledge. When SAP certifications don't help much, if you have zero project exposure, if you cannot explain real-world scenarios, if your experience doesn't match the certification example. A candidate certified in SAP FICO but unable to explain business processes, configuration logic, end-to-end flows. In SAP, experience plus certification is powerful. Certification alone is not. Certifications in IT careers. In IT careers, certifications play a supporting role, not the lead role. Where IT certifications help, entry-level roles, structured domains like cloud platforms, networking, cybersecurity, infrastructure. Resume shortlisting. Vendor-specific knowledge validation. Where they don't help, if you lack hands-on skills, if you cannot code, configure, or troubleshoot, if projects and portfolios are missing. Example: a cloud certification looks impressive, but if you've never deployed, managed, or debugged real systems, employers notice. In IT, employers ask, what have you built? What problems have you solved? Can you do this in production? Key insight: certifications open doors. Skills keep you inside. Certifications in management careers. Management certifications are different. They focus more on frameworks, decision-making, leadership concepts, business understanding. When management certifications help early career professionals transitioning from technical to managerial roles, structured learning of business concepts, role clarity and confidence. When they don't, without people management experience, without real decision-making exposure, without leadership responsibility. Example: a project management certification does not make someone a project leader overnight. Management credibility grows from handling teams, managing conflicts, delivering outcomes. Certifications support management growth. They don't replace experience. Common myths about certifications. Myth 1: certification guarantees a job. Reality: it improves chances, not outcomes. Myth 2: more certifications mean better profile. Reality: relevance matters more than quantity. Myth 3: certifications can replace experience. Reality: experience is irreplaceable. Myth 4: certifications alone justify high salary. Reality: value creation determines pay. Certifications are tools, not shortcuts. How to use certifications. The right way to use certifications effectively: choose certifications aligned with your career path, build fundamentals before certification, combine learning with real-world practice, apply skills at work or through projects, communicate outcomes, not course names. Ask yourself, what problem does this certification help me solve? How does it strengthen my professional identity? When certifications support your journey, they become powerful. Final verdict: do certifications really help? So, do certifications really help? Yes, when used correctly. No, when treated as shortcuts. In SAP, IT, and management careers, certifications validate experience, proves results, differentiate. Your career grows when all three work together. If this video helped you gain clarity, like, share, and subscribe for more practical career guidance. Remember, certifications don't build careers, professionals do.